Well, I've been reading this book by Jordan Peterson. He's all about standing up straight with your shoulders back. It's dealing with like the lobster and the serotonin levels that they produce by being erect. You know how the lobster stands, or it's kind of, well, it has some type of posture when it's in a winning state. It's standing erect, like when we stand up straight with our shoulders back. It's the same effect that the lobster has when he's defeated his opponent, and it secretes serotonin into the lobster, and it makes him feel a certain type of way. Victor, a victor state, um, and it's the same thing with humans. Just by correcting your posture, your brain through your spinal cord and all this secretes and produces and secretes serotonin, and it's crazy how that works. Check him out, Jordan Peterson, clinical psychologist, and professor, all kind of stuff, wrote all kind of books. But man, just off of standing up straight with your shoulders back, right? Scientific studies prove that it's good for you, right? And you hear it all the time. You heard it growing up in school that, correct your posture, correct your posture. But yeah, for sure, scientific studies all the way down to staying on lobster. 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. Check it out. And I didn't get paid for that. Just giving out free information. But yeah, that's one great key to relieving stress and getting your life back. Simply correcting your dang on posture. How crazy is that? One quick tidbit. Peace.